Hello, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're demystifying a core concept in networking, DNS queries, specifically the iterative type. When you type a website address like example.com, your computer needs its IP address. This is where DNS, the domain name system, comes in. There are two main ways DNS queries work: recursive and iterative. First, the recursive DNS query. This is what your computer sends to your local DNS server, like your ISP server. It's like asking a librarian, "Find me this specific book." Your computer expects that local DNS server to do all the work and return the final IP address. Now for our main topic, the iterative DNS query. This is what your local DNS server then sends to other DNS servers. Imagine the librarian saying, "I don't have that book, but it's probably in the history section. Go ask there." The local DNS server gets a hint or referral and then goes to the next server itself. It doesn't ask that server to do all the work, it asks for the next step. Let's trace this. Your local DNS asks a root server for example.com. The root server replies with a referral to the .com top-level domain server. Your local DNS then asks the .com TLD server, which refers it to example.com's authoritative server. Finally, your local DNS asks the authoritative server, which provides the actual IP address. Your local DNS then returns this IP to your computer. So the question is, which function does an iterative DNS query serve? The correct answer is, allow a DNS client to contact several DNS servers until the correct information is found. While the option says DNS client, it's more accurately the local DNS server acting on behalf of the client, actively contacting multiple servers, root, TLD, authoritative, following referrals until the IP is found. Let's quickly look at why other options are incorrect. Obtaining information directly from all root servers? No, it's typically one root providing a hint, not the final answer. Encrypting communication? That's about DNS security protocols like DOH or DOT, not the query type itself. Updating records dynamically? That's dynamic DNS or zone transfers, unrelated to how a resolution query is structured. In summary, recursive queries are for finding the final answer, handled by one server for the client. Iterative queries are about getting hints and chasing down the answer yourself, step by step, typically done by a local DNS server querying others. Understanding this distinction is key to mastering DNS fundamentals. Thanks for watching.